That's right.
Yup. Man, your beat is off, bro.
Welcome to DR Crypto.
What's going on, our fellow loyal, amazing subscribers? I can't say your boy anymore because Robin got mad at me, but it's your boy, David, and I'm here with someone I kind of like sometimes, not a lot, but kind of got to like him, have no choice. Robin, show Robin's face. What's that?
I know you did not do the 1999 Bud Light. What's up, bro?
Bro, don't worry about what I do, man. Worry about getting a haircut.
You know what? I actually like my haircut because right now, your boy looking sweet. I'm just saying, bro.
Hey, okay, you're right. That is your thing. Your boy is your thing. I'll leave it at that, all right?
You need to stop ripping my own phrases.
My
okay?
bad, bro.
Get your own.
My sincerest apologies.
Freaking, you're a cutter, bro.
Sorry.
Copy and cut and paste for your own self. All right, so welcome to DR Crypto. That's David. I'm Robin. We're going to talk some crypto. So a little bit about us if you haven't seen us before. We are an entertainment-based crypto channel. So we don't do very much technical analysis, if any at all. Technical analysis free zone right here, baby. So, but we do touch on the market.
Wait, do that again? Do that again?
What is?
No, you just like with the whole thing was saying it.
The TA free zone?
Yeah, but like as animated as you were.
It's TA free zone.
That's right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, so so basically we will touch on the market. So we do see what's trending, what's going on. But either way, we are coming to you live from Barrel Energy Studios in Las Vegas, Nevada. So
whoop, whoop.
If you haven't checked us out, since we got a new studio, we do got some fresh decals, paint. David still hasn't shaved, but either way, yeah. And
look
also
at this face, shave, man. Listen to me, if I shave my entire face, my wife will not look at me. She'll literally make me sleep on the couch.
Right.
So true story.
All right, so once again, Dave is the content producer, so he kind of drives the ship,
Grazie.
or boat, or car, or bus, whatever he's driving. And
More like a high-speed train.
yeah, anyways.
Yeah.
So, David,
Yo.
what is in store for the show today?
Man, all right, so we are starting with our weekly news roundup. By the way, did we get a new news anchor, or we don't have the funds right now to get a better one?
You know, we brought back Magnificent. He actually didn't smell like booze today, so hopefully it translates to
I got here a little late.
bit more sober.
I got here a little late, so I didn't see him today, but I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, he cleaned up a little bit.
Okay, all right, we'll see how he does. We'll let us and the viewers be the judge. After that, we're going to go into market analysis. Then we have our weekly talking points where, me and Robin are probably not going to agree, but we'll see how that goes. And then last week, I had 2-3 people reach out to me saying they were upset we didn't do buy, sell, hodl. I told them we can't do that every single week, so I promised them we would bring it back for this show.
Why can't we do it every single week?
I mean, can we?
You're the content guy.
Yeah,
here,
I just
so.
don't want to, I don't want to just copy paste. You're talking about copy paste. We can't just copy paste everything, bro.
All right,
we gotta throw some new stuff in there. We gotta spaz it up.
I haven't seen any costumes laying around today, so
okay.
I'm actually slightly relieved, unless you got one hiding under the desk.
You never know, bro.
All right.
You never know. And then after that, we are going to wrap it up. So, Jade, if you're watching, make sure you stay tuned. Robin's gonna have a little present for you at the end. Okay? So.
I do.
Yeah, you do. We talked about this literally 5 minutes ago.
No, I don't be paying attention.
Of course you don't.
All right.
Anyways, we're going to the news?
Okay, yeah. So we got the news with Magnificent. So our weekly news roundup. Anyways.
Please be good. Please
over
be
to
good.
you, Mike.
Please be good.
Hello, crypto fans. My name is Magnificent. This is DR Crypto, and this is your weekly news roundup. Let's get the news underway. In Brazil, the lawmakers right now are aiming to make Bitcoin legal payment. At first, it was an original bill to help people invest in Bitcoin, but is now transitioning to a bill to make Bitcoin legal payment. Now allowing everybody to purchase everything from houses, cars, McDonald's, and your Brazilian butt lift all with Bitcoin. In other news, U.S. Bank launches Bitcoin custody service. It's the 5th largest retail bank in the U.S., and it announced that its crypto custody service is available for fund managers. Currently, the product is only for institutional managers with private funds in the U.S. The SEC just approved the closest thing to a Bitcoin ETF. The SEC has approved an ETF that tracks stocks with significant exposure to Bitcoin. 2 examples of this will be MicroStrategy and Tesla. The name given to this fund will be Volt Crypto Industry Revolution and Tech ETF, which actually sounds like a great idea. Bitcoin up, stock market down, let's get a little balance. The Justice Department forms a national crypto enforcement team, and I heard they're going to have really cool uniforms. Deputy Attorney General Lisa O. Monaco said the unit will focus on criminal misuse of crypto. The department will be involved in investigations and prosecutions, which is really unfortunate because I just figured out money laundering. In other news, MoneyGram partners with Stellar Lumens. MoneyGram and Stellar Lumens will begin partnership in early 2022 for blockchain-based payments. Well, it looks like one company made out Stellar while the other one rippled away as XLM replaces XRP. In other news, Bitcoin finally unshackles from stocks. The decoupling of Bitcoin and stocks could revive a long-term standing promise that crypto can serve as a hedge to equities. JP Morgan strategists said that the institutional investors could be returning to Bitcoin, seeing it as a better inflation hedge than gold. If you do have a gold grill, you might want to consider swapping it out. Colombia could use waterfalls to produce Bitcoin, not cocaine, which is extremely depressing. Anyways, Senator Gustavo Petro said the South American country could use renewable energy to mine Bitcoin instead of cocaine. Colombia does have great potential for mining because three-fourths of its electricity generation comes from hydroelectric power. So, with that being said, parties might not be as fun, rehabs might go out of business, but sounds like a good idea. Thank you for tuning in this week's Weekly News Roundup. My name's Magnificent, and you have a magnificent day.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I can do that. I can do that.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you.
Yeah. Good,
All
Mike.
right, so,
We might discuss a raise for you, buddy.
you know what? He still did the eye thing. I'm like, I don't know if he's like got a
He was definitely not drunk, though. I can
hemoglobin
tell.
problem or
He like, is he opposed to maybe pulling his tie or buttoning up that very top button in his shirt? I don't.
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean,
But definitely an improvement. So
little-
did you coach him up, Rob, or
no, I
no?
just.
You think we just roasted him
I
too
did-
much?
I patted him down when he came in, make sure he didn't have any like.
Check his
liquor
car? Did
flask.
you check his car for
I did
empty
not,
bottles?
no.
Okay, yeah,
Did
we
not
got to do
check
that
the
next
car.
time. It was pretty good. It was good. Some good stuff in there for sure.
Me gusta.
Sí.
Oh, sí.
You speak Spanish?
Un poquito.
That's not Spanish, bro.
I speak Portuguese.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
All right, so
Anyways,
what do we got next? Where are we going?
Let's dive into some market.
All right,
Big
so,
week. Big week.
So a little bit about my screen.
Mac.
Not-
Let's go to the
not-
Mac. Nope. Yep.
Okay, having some technical difficulties here.
TADC
All right, here we go.
difficulties. There we go.
All right, so a little bit about the market here. So Bitcoin. So we haven't done a live stream since last week. So we closed out about 48,000, I think it was last Friday. Anyways, we had that big pump. Bitcoin did reach 55K. It's consolidating around 53 to 54. So either way, good market movement. There's a lot of volume in the market as well.
Let me ask you this question. Do you think it's better when Bitcoin just does the 3,000 in 2 minutes, or do you think it's nice when it starts inching up, consolidate, consolidate?
It doesn't matter as long as it doesn't wick up. So the candle wicks, basically unsustained growth.
So
So
you're picking the one where it slowly inches up and consolidates?
I don't care if it wicks all the way up to 57,000. If it spikes up and it reconsolidates down to 55, it doesn't matter to me as long as it's trading sideways at above where it was before. So, I mean, for me, any growth is good growth. So, I mean,
Fair.
So anyways, the markets have been very active. We have Ethereum at 35. Cardano still hasn't moved much. A lot of the dApp developers haven't launched their projects. I think they're waiting for some development tools to be released, which is supposed to come next week. So either way, once the dApps start launching, it should catch up to Ethereum's growth and Bitcoin's growth as well. So expect some big pumps there. Now, with Binance coins over 400, looking good, solid. XRP at $1.06. This is still a little lagging, but it did drop all the way down to 95 cents. So well over $1, which is good. It does feel like if you're checking out the if you're looking into the lawsuit kind of situation, there has been a lot of good news. The judge overseeing the court case has permitted the XRP holders to have a voice in the lawsuit. So
Yeah, that's gonna go far.
yeah. Anyways,
Like
well,
they give a
don't-
crap about what we think.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
probably don't. But they do get representation. They don't get, not each XRP holder. It's not like I get to go to court and say something, but unanimously we can do a deposition through a lawyer and have him represent the XRP holders. But either way, it is, our voice is being heard.
So
or
is
at
it
least-
gonna end soon or not?
I mean, I don't know definitively, but there's been a lot of good momentum in XRP's favor. So
And it's still only at $1.
yeah, but it's not in trading on any U.S. exchanges except for KuCoin, which technically isn't a U.S. exchange. But
Okay.
so, anyways, once the lawsuit settles, it's gonna slingshot up. There's a lot of built up momentum that's just waiting for a settlement or a resolution. Doesn't seem like there is any like leaning towards the SEC. They seem to be fighting an uphill battle. So that's always good. Solana at 161, down from its all-time high of 220, I think it was, or 215. So still in good shape. Expect some more growth here out of that. Dot 33. Your boy Dogecoin.
Is it out of the top 10? Is that out of the top 10?
What, Dogecoin? No.
No, let me see.
Not yet. It's right here at number 10.
Huh.
Is the monitor's not following me?
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay. Well,
All right. Well, I guess you're only
apologies, guys,
I guess you're
are,
only gonna, I guess you're only going to see the top 8 today.
yeah, that's it. So you can switch out of my screen now. But anyways, enough about the market. We kind of did go over the top 10. But there was your boy Shiba Inu.
That's
which
right.
was a huge pumper, over 200% this week alone. It went from 5 zeros to 4 zeros. So it dropped a zero earlier this week. Coming in at, I know it's listed on our ticker here. But either way, it's not listed on the ticker.
No, I don't. Yeah, today was kind of a technical SHIT show because we don't want to get you started on it, but
What exactly does that spell?
I can't say it, man. We're trying to become YouTube partners. We can't be cursing. Remember we had a meeting about this? I'm just gonna hide. I'm gonna hide it.
$48,000 Bitcoin.
I'm hiding the ticker. Well, if it was 48,000, I'd just go buy some right now.
Well,
But
you
we
know
can't.
what? I was saying where was it last week, so that's kind of like a.
There you
reference.
go. There you go. All right, here. I got my computer pulled up here. You were talking about Shiba Inu.
Yeah. It was
Okay.
at over 200% this week.
Oh my
right?
God, that's insane. Top 20, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
Man.
So they got listed on Coinbase, and Webull also
That's
put
right.
them on. Are they listed on?
They're on crypto.com. They
Yeah.
are on KuCoin.
Yeah, we know that, but are the recent additions? I think it got listed on
Coinbase definitely.
on Robinhood, right?
Yes, Robinhood
That was
also.
like a week ago. Though.
Yep. Man, Cosmos, huh? I think I might be like a crypto curse when because I'm in Cosmos, it goes down, I get out of it, it goes up. So if you guys are holding any coins and you want me to get out and I'm holding some, let me know. I'll help you guys out, okay?
Right.
Yeah. So,
All right. So I guess that wraps up the market watch here.
Yep.
So
well, hopefully this will be another green week coming up here. But let's move on to some talking points for the week. So, yeah, stay on my screen. So, we got to lead off with our friend beautiful little doggy here, Shiba Inu. This article reads, Shiba Inu took 14 months to hit a market value of 12 billion, and it took Doge 6 times as long. So, does that mean Shiba is the Doge killer? Dun, dun, dun.
Well, I mean, people saw the gains that you got from Dogecoin and how it was a speculative asset and it didn't really have too much potential as far as the fundamentals. And then that basically got thrown out the window when Dogecoin went from, what was it, 8 cents to over 20 cents?
Yeah.
And it just held there. So,
Yep.
you know what? Dogecoin's here to stay, at least in the near term. And so, that's cute.
Okay. So this is what. Okay,
Is that Elon Musk tweet?
Bro, first of all, it's absolutely absurd to me that one person has so much, like, has a grip on crypto that they can literally move the price 300% with a tweet. So, Shiba started pumping after Elon Musk tweeted this. His new dog he got, which happens to be a Shiba Inu, named Flocky Frunkapuppy. Pretty cool name.
So, a little bit about the whole meme coin thing. So, if
It's here to
you're-
stay, bro. It's here to stay.
Well, if you're invested in cryptocurrency and you truly believe in it and you believe in the blockchain technologies, that it's going to fundamentally change our financial infrastructure and how you settle payments, sending money, and then the blockchain technology integrates into data and lots of other things. Social media is going to be there. Basically, your NFTs of your housing. Basically, in every aspect of your life here in the future, blockchain will make it better. And so, for me, you know, what does Shibu have to offer? It's basically,
Look at this dog.
it's a cute dog.
Cute dog, man.
But I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't really offer anything. I mean, there is some functionality. There is an exchange for Shiba Inu. You know, it's not a slow network. So I mean, there are positives to it. I'm not saying that it's absolutely useless.
Shiba
But-
swap.
But here's the thing, like when these other projects become fundamentally part of our life and integrate into tomorrow's technology, and your Amazon and Walmart and all of the big tech companies are sending their payments and doing their inventory and storing their data on blockchain, those are going to be the projects you want to be invested in. This may fizzle, it may hang out longer, but if you're investing for the future, you need to invest in the future technology that benefits the human society. And
But what about dogs?
well, go get a dog, go get a Shiba Inu.
I have a dog. Shiba Inus are they expensive?
Yeah, they're like
Are they really?
They're literally probably like over $1,000 a dog. I think they
Okay.
get up to like 3, 4, 6.
They're
12,
probably
I don't know,
they're
but
probably higher because of this whole Shiba Inu craze.
yeah. There's no fraction of a cent for that dog.
Everyone and their mom wants a Shiba Inu. So
But I mean, that's kind of my rant. I mean, you want to invest in it, cool. I would just find a good exit position because the gains aren't sustainable on the
Yeah.
long term. It's here for a couple months. You know what? If you buy it at 20 cents or 4 zeros with a 2, and then it triples, take some profit out. You know, if you put in
is that financial advice?
No,
No.
not financial advice,
That's
but
right.
just normal life advice. Don't get greedy. Okay, that's
True.
all I'm saying.
True that, true
And
that.
especially in a project that isn't going to be around in 20 years. Now,
How do you know that? You don't know that.
Maybe it is.
It
Maybe it is.
definitely will be. Look at the dog.
Maybe we'll print money with a Shiba dog on it.
We probably will.
Yeah. So.
All right, let's. So I didn't really want to put this in here, Robin, but you literally were on your knees begging me because you shop at the store all the time. Pacsun. Pacsun, the youth fashion retail chain, now accepts 11 cryptocurrencies. Besides Robin, I'm not sure who else shops at Pacsun. Tim, do you shop at Pacsun? No? I don't shop at Pacsun. I think I used to shop at Pacsun.
You know, they got,
Robin, you definitely shop at Pacsun.
Okay, first of all, they got nice hats. If you're looking for like one of those Hurley hats or and they also got good flip-flop selection, board shorts for sure, and tank tops. So
Yeah.
basically anything involving summertime definitely is one of my go-to stores. But
Well, what are you gonna do since it's not summertime anymore?
I don't know. Well, it's getting a little warmer outside, so your boy got this button up on.
Yeah, I
so,
see you went shopping. Good for you.
Looking fresh.
So it says here on October 5th, the youth fashion and retail brand Pacsun announced the company is now accepting cryptocurrencies via BitPay payment services. Pacsun says the company has a youthful audience that is very tech-oriented. What are you trying to say, man? I'm tech-oriented. I'm 33. Is 33 young?
We got some
pretty young.
Shiba homers in the chat here too.
We do? Let me see. That's right. Okay. All right, Docs. We see you. Let's go, Shiba. We're with you.
Yeah.
Carlitos Buns. Wilson Profit. Okay.
Carlitos Buns.
Hey, that might be the best name we've seen, man.
Yeah.
Carlitos Buns. I love it.
Best name I ever seen was Robin.
Yeah, okay.
It's your boy.
Pacsun was founded in 1982. It's got roughly 400 stores in all 50 states, including Puerto Rico. Some of the assets they're going to be accepting is going to be Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, ETH, Doge, and Litecoin. Why are they not accepting Shiba, man?
Pacsun?
Yeah.
You serious?
Well, yeah. I mean, you got to, right? They say youth. The youth is all on Shiba.
What if I went in there with an actual Shiba Inu? You think I get any trade-in value for that?
Why would you trade in your dog?
I don't have a Shiba Inu. What if I adopted one?
You would trade it in for some clothes?
Brought it in as a barter.
Yeah, I don't think that would work. They'd probably call the authorities on you.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on. Bank of America identifies 20 high-profile U.S. companies with crypto exposure. So here we go. What companies are holding or dabbling in crypto? Let's see. Walt Disney, Fox, and J.P. Morgan are among a list of 20 publicly traded U.S. companies. And the only reason we know this is because they have to tell the public that what kind of money they're spending.
So, you know what I find pretty cool about this article is the fact that Bank of America is doing a deep dive on who is holding crypto. So basically, they're researching the market. They're going to get in it as well as all the other major banks. It's just a question of when. And this just basically says that the time is here. So if they're looking into who has crypto, I mean, what else do you need to know?
Yeah.
And at some point, they're going to get upset that people are taking their savings accounts and putting it in high interest yielding cryptocurrency projects. So,
yeah. Bank of America argued that the digital asset space could not be ignored for long, and that the DeFi or decentralized tech will continue to permeate. So, there you have it, guys. Slowly but surely, we are inching our way into mainstream America and mainstream finance. And when we come, it's going to be like a high-speed train I told you that I'm conducting. I'm the driver. Robin's, what are you again, Robin? You're the guy that gets me the Gatorade when I'm thirsty?
I'm the one that checks the tickets. Because I think trains are the only people that do that. Like, where after you're on, they make sure you have a ticket. So.
True. Yeah, okay. That's very true. Cool. So you got anything else to add on this one?
No, I'm good, man. It's pretty straightforward.
Last one.
All right.
What is it gonna? New Chainalysis report reveals who's leading the world in crypto adoption. I thought this was pretty cool. We live in the U.S., but keep in mind we are not the only economy in the world that's getting into crypto, which is why it's so amazing. Because you have a country like China that goes out and bans crypto, but yes, it'll take a little bit of a hit, but it's not going to completely collapse, right? The SEC came out and said, New York Stock Exchange, we're shutting you down. What would happen to the entire stock market? It would completely crash. So having crypto be a worldwide asset group, it allows it to be a little more stable. Stable and crypto doesn't really go, but you know what I'm getting at. So this article says that India, Pakistan, and Vietnam are top 3. And the cool thing about this...
Did you say India with an Indian accent?
I did not say India with it. You know what? That's not what I said, but someone did ask us, or me personally, to do one of our shows in an Indian accent. I did take some classes in college, some acting classes.
I would not recommend that. If you want to get,
I got some tools in my box.
Some red flags on the internet. Go ahead and mock other nations. Go ahead.
It's not mocking. It's just adopting. But anyways,
I'm just saying, man.
In my opinion, the most important thing about this article is where'd it go? Where are you? Right here. 6 of the top 20 countries are African nations.
There's a lot of traction going on in Africa.
So here's what I think why. I think that in Africa, there's way less people that are properly banked or have banking institutions.
Well,
So
it's third world countries in general. So you
Right.
think of South America, you think of Africa in general. So basically, if they don't have a infrastructure for banking for the common people, then if you're trying to do traditional finance of any sort, as far as buying a house, buying a car, or getting some kind of interest in a savings, or just having secure savings. Like, I mean, imagine if you work your whole life to save up for a home and you storing the money under your mattress. I mean, that's
Yeah.
a reality people have, and they don't have an option of getting a bank account. So
But here's why I think Africa's going to blow up as far as technology, because here in America you have this tug of war between the traditional finance system and the new age of blockchain and crypto, right? There's a tug of war because traditional finance doesn't want to give up power, but they're really not going to have a choice. But in countries like Africa, where there's no tug of war, it just gets more streamlined. So it's going to happen a lot faster than it would here, in my personal opinion.
right.
So, yeah, Africa about to get put on the map. All right, let's transition into our skit.
All right. What are we doing today? Oh, we're doing the
Buy,
one, right?
sell, and hodl. All right, so if you're new to the show, your first time watching, Buy, Sell, Hodl is a skit we do that's become very popular amongst our viewers and friends and people who watch the show. There's a game that you used to play in high school, junior high, or even today you play. Where someone comes up to you and says, hey, this person, this person, this person. You got to marry one, you got to kill one, and you got to sleep with one. And you got to pick all three. We did our take on that, but in the world of crypto. So I'm going to give Robin 3 coins, 3 projects, 3 whatever I want. And he's going to tell me which one he wants to buy, so which one he believes in the short term, which one he wants to sell, which is the one he doesn't believe in at all, and which one he's going to hodl. Which one does he believe in long term has the most potential. All right?
So
You got any questions?
I don't know if I technically believe in don't believe at all for the sell. Basically, the one I would, out of the 3, now want to hold. So, yeah, because I believe in all cryptocurrencies. I mean, if you removed all cryptocurrencies, I would invest in Shiba. Like, so I mean,
Wait, so you're saying you wouldn't invest in Shiba if you you wouldn't invest in Shiba if you only would invest in
no,
Shiba
I'm
if it was
saying
the last
it's not
one?
it's not my ideal place that I want to invest my money in. I feel like there's
Okay,
better projects in the long term.
but that's the point, right? You have 3 difficult ones, and you gotta shoot. Which one do I gotta get rid of? Or hey, which one do I believe more long term? All right. All right. Put it on Robin. All right, ready? Buy, sell, hodl. Uniswap, Pancake Swap, Sunday Swap.
Okay, so all the dexes here. Uniswap and Pancakes. Uniswap Ethereum based. Pancake is your Binance. And Sunday Swap, if you're not familiar with that, that is the Cardano dex. From my understanding, it hasn't even launched yet. Well, I don't think much of anything's launched on Cardano, aside from minting NFTs. But I really do like Sunday Swap. I don't think there's a token out for it yet. But the way you do get it is that you stake your Cardano through the Daedalus wallet or the Yuri wallet. And then it's a pretty safe way to just earn, you basically double dip.
Okay, so is that the one you're hodling or buying?
Yeah, well, I like that one. I like all 3, honestly. Binance is going through their legal issues overseas. So I would question that the growth in the short to midterm. They've been shutting down exchanges in other countries. So I will sell the Pancake Swap.
You don't like pancakes?
I do love me some pancakes.
Pancakes matter.
With some real maple syrup, not that like Walmart stuff.
Yeah, you're Canadian. I forgot.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm not Canadian. Get out of here. Yeah. All right. Now, so I'm going to sell the Pancake Swap. And then I will buy the Sunday Swap because there is over 10 dexes launching on Cardano. So one of them is going to be the front runner. It seems as though due to the market's interest that it's going to be Sunday Swap. They have a ton of followers on Twitter. So a lot of eyeballs there. So I'm assuming that's going to be one of the front runners, but I don't know. So with that said, I'm not going to hodl that one, but I'll buy it. Seems like a good project to get into. But Uniswap definitely here to stay. Ethereum's here to stay. Everyone copies the
ETH is king.
Yeah, and everyone copies the Uniswap chain and then just tailors it to their own thing. So basically, it sets the bar for decentralized finance as far as exchanging. So
to recap, we're buying Sunday Swap.
yeah.
We're hodling Uniswap. I mean, sorry, you're buying Sunday Swap.
Technically, you can't buy Sunday Swap yet. But
Okay, but
yes. Okay, go. Yeah.
Buying Sunday Swap, hodling Uniswap, and selling the pancakes.
Yeah.
Or some waffles.
Selling the pancakes. Okay.
Or some waffles. All right, next one. Buy, sell, hodl. XLM. By the way, hold on.
Okay, Pacsun.
Mike, the news guy, was he saying Stellar?
He was, yeah.
What is wrong? Who says Stellar Lumens? It's Stellar.
He's got like a weird
Kinda
Italian
weird,
accent
man.
or something,
Yeah.
or like New
Jesus.
York thing going on. So
We got to spend some time with him.
maybe that's just how they say words.
Yeah.
Where he's from.
Words. All right.
So-
Buy, sell, hodl. XLM,
Okay.
XRP.
All right.
I couldn't find another X coin, so I did CODI. Okay.
So all financial payment coins.
Yes.
So, oh man, they all have promising. So we had our article earlier with XLM, basically partnering with MoneyGram. That is bullish news. However, I think it's trying to copy XRP too much. It's literally like a fork of XRP. So, with that said, I'm gonna hodl the XRP. I think when they finish that lawsuit, it's gonna explode. And not to mention, all the while, XRP has been making partnerships and deals with foreign nations, not America, because they basically got screwed by the SEC. But that's another story. But anyways, when that lawsuit settles, they're gonna get nationwide adoption here in the U.S. They've already been catching tons of traction across the world. So I am super bullish on XRP.
Well, my boy Tyler Revelis, if you're listening, bro, here's the segment for you right here, buddy.
And Adam too. Oh, thanks for helping us with the lighting too, Adam.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, Adam's a big XRP guy, and he loves SHIBA too. So
That's right.
yeah,
Smart man.
But either way, XRP, huge future. It was number 3 in market cap in 2017.
Ooh.
XRP.
Yeah.
So last cycle, would have been there again.
Yeah.
I would have estimated it was over $100 million market or $100 billion market cap if it wasn't for the lawsuit.
I could have.
So with that said, it's gonna slingshot. Where is it at on market cap right now?
6.
No, I'm saying what's the actual number?
49.8 billion.
So 2x will put it at 100. So you're talking.
Now you're above Cardano, and you're a quarter of the way.
If it wasn't for the lawsuit, it'd be above. I love Cardano, but it would have definitely been over.
What do you love more, Cardano or XRP?
Long term Cardano, but XRP is the next step in our evolution to adopting cryptocurrency, because the banks aren't gonna go from their traditional finance straight into cryptocurrency. They're going to transition slowly. It's going to be a transition. It's a passing of the baton from traditional finance to new age crypto technology. And the way the banks are going to do it is that they're going to use a blockchain that lets them run their own system and integrate it slowly. And that's what XRP does. It's the steps. It's the transition. Now, I don't really like the idea of having centralized finance and crypto. I'd rather just be straight up crypto blockchain and just eliminate that step. But the obvious transition involves something of that nature. Now with Stellar, I'm going to sell that. I'm hodling the XRP. And I'm going to buy CODI. CODI, in case you don't know, stands for Currency of the Internet. They have a big partnership with Cardano. That's probably the biggest headline for them. They just got listed on Coinbase 2 months ago, which if
it's been pumping.
Yeah, if you look at their chart, they got a big pump on the the CODI. As soon as they released the news, they partnered. I think they 2x right away, and then they kind of balanced back out lately. But either way, they also have credit cards. I think a lot of projects are doing that now, but they have a bank card that transition that lets you use your CODI as fiat, and if they don't accept crypto payments. So a lot of things, and they're gonna have they partnered with another blockchain that lets you basically direct deposit your check into a bank account that is based by CODI. So
I heard about that.
Basically, they are eliminating the bank in it. So basically, what I was saying about XRP, they're going a different route. So CODI is letting you direct deposit straight into the blockchain, and then you can use a Visa debit as far as payments. So you can bypass all bank systems. So that's really cool. I'm big on that. I think XRP is a safer bet, HODL, and sell on the XLM, and I will buy the CODI.
So selling Stellar. No Stellar for you, buddy.
Yeah. I actually just picked some up last week, so it's funny I say I'm selling it, but
But you can still sell it.
Well, no, I wanted to buy the news. I know that's not a good thing.
You're supposed to buy the rumor and then sell the news.
I know, but I don't know. I thought it was gonna get a little bit
and
more.
this is why we're not. This is why Robin's not a financial advisor, guys, because he likes to do the opposite. All right.
Anyways,
we're going to the East Coast on this one.
Ooh.
Okay, so I know this is not going to be a surprise. We've done this 3 times now. You know something's funny coming your way, right? I mean,
I figured that
unless you're brain dead, which you're not. You're actually a smart guy. So we're going to New York. This is going to be a New York themed one, all right?
Yep.
BUYSELLHODL. The New York Jets, Jets.
There it is. I knew there was gonna be a football reference somewhere in this show, bro. We can't
have to, bro. We have to. Charles Hugh, if you're watching this, bro, this is for you, okay?
Yeah, he's one of our compadres. He is a big Jets fan.
Actually, okay, he was a Jets fan. He says he's a Raiders fan now.
Oh, he did convert. Yeah,
but
you're right.
The next topic I'm giving you, he's a big fan. The New York Knicks. So we got the New York Jets, the New York Knicks, and the last one, former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. Take it away.
Okay, that one caught me by surprise. All right, so. Oh man, I'm gonna sell the Knicks first.
Hold on. You're keeping Cuomo at any capacity?
The dude is entertainment in its finest.
Dude,
man.
he freaking sexually, bro. He got out of office because he was sexually assaulting women.
Okay, you know what?
Yeah,
that's a bad look. Okay,
yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
you didn't know that. Now you know.
No,
so
I knew
start
that.
over.
I knew that though. But I mean, the Knicks are just an eyesore from top to bottom. Their management.
Hey, they got Derrick Rose, man.
Their front end. You know what? I don't know enough about the details about either the Jets or the Knicks. I just know that they've been fundamentally bad for years and the laughingstock. Their draft picks are absolutely atrocious.
Are we talking Jets and Knicks?
No, the Knicks right now. Now the Jets.
They made the playoffs last year.
The Knicks?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Yeah, they did.
They're still bad.
Man, I was hoping the gloves are going to come out, bro, but you got nothing.
Yeah.
You need to brush up on your sports.
I do need to brush up.
But
I've been working on this show. I haven't had a chance to
ain't nobody going to be better than the...
I didn't even bench Chris Carson yesterday in my fantasy league.
Ain't nobody going to be better than the Los Angeles Lakers, bro.
Boo.
Oh, my God.
Yo, I know you're not a Lakers fan. Hold on.
Stop. What?
This whole time,
Are you joking?
I had no idea.
Man, bro, bring the gloves out, bro. Man, I will mop the floor with you, man. What are you talking about? Have you not seen me wear my Lakers?
How are you a fan of the Lakers? I mean, you haven't been in here with one Lakers jersey, not one Lakers hat.
Dude,
I haven't seen you.
Do I not come in here with my Lakers shirt all the time? Are you joking me? Well, maybe you should come around more. Jesus Christ. Ask anyone in my circle of friends and family, who is the biggest Laker fan you know? 9 out of 10 are going to say David.
Who was their last draft pick? Number 1.
The last number, we didn't have a number 1 draft pick.
First round.
Our first round draft pick, we didn't have one because we traded.
Are you sure?
We traded for Anthony Davis, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, fact check me, bro.
Anyway, yeah. So I'll sell. Yeah, the Lakers.
Man, you're insane, bro. 17 titles. 17.
Yeah, you're living in the past, bro.
What do you mean? The last one was 2 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I need to catch up on my sports.
You need to catch up on something, bro.
Yeah, but okay. So, anyways, man, it's really hard not to sell the.
Tim is fact checking me over here. He's fact checking. What's up, bro? What you got?
I think you might be wrong here.
I might be wrong.
I think you guys had. Yup, you took Isaiah Jackson.
Isaiah Jackson.
Let me see.
Forward with the number 22.
Give me this, man. Jackson headed to Indiana Pacers. Yeah. Indiana Pacers. I am not wrong. Yeah, you're fired. You're fired. Thank you.
All right.
Tell me about my Lakers.
Okay.
All right, back.
Alcil Como, the dude is creepy.
Yeah.
And what was it? What did he say? He was trying to express that gently putting his hands on somebody's front end stomach area was not that big a deal.
If he ever put his hands on my daughter's front end stomach area, he would be worse off than just not being the governor anymore.
That's kind of strange, bro.
Yeah,
and
anywhere.
Not to mention, he already had a lot of dislikes when it came to him handling the pandemic and whatnot. So
yeah, but we're not a political show because we're not going to get into that. But
yeah, anyways, dude is creepy.
Yeah, weirdo.
So yeah, I'll sell him, even though I wanted to sell the Knicks. But the Jets
here we
are fundamentally bad. Who did they get? They traded Sam Bradford.
Sam Bradford.
Yeah, they traded him.
Are you going back like 10 years ago or recently? Sam Darnold.
Sam Darnold. Yeah,
oh my God, bro!
Yeah.
Tim, remind me to never do a sports show with this guy. All right?
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
All right. Well, anyways, yeah. So I will hodl the. I'll hodl the Jets.
What?
And
you'd rather hodl the Jets than the Knicks?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I feel like teams in football, they go from worst to first a lot faster than in basketball. Basketball, you got to build a dynasty. So
I can see that.
So
right.
that's my reasoning there.
So we're hodling the Jets, we're buying the Knicks, and we're definitely selling Cuomo.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Fair enough.
All right. Is that it? Or
that's it. Oh, Jade. So Jade texts me. She goes, "Hey, Shiba." I'm like, "Yeah, Shiba."
So basically, we got somebody, a new investor looking to buy some crypto. I don't know if she has any exposure. So not financial advice, but just somebody was looking for a project to do a deeper dive on and maybe get into. So for me, what's a safe play right now? I mean, honestly, Bitcoin is the safest play. It went up 20%.
Under the radar, bro. Okay, let me take over. All right?
Okay, go ahead.
Jade, if you're watching and listening, there's this coin called Rally Coin, okay?
Oh,
Rally,
my God.
Let's just
do not buy Rally Coin.
Can you mute him?
Do not
just kidding,
buy
don't
Rally.
mute him. Okay. The next craze, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. The next, just shut your mouth and let me speak.
Literally suggesting to somebody,
bro,
that they get into Rally Coin. Literally,
will you let me finish?
250th.
Will you let me finish?
The, market cap. Go ahead.
Will you let me finish?
Go ahead.
Thank you. If he talks again, mute him. All right. So,
don't listen.
NFT craze going on right now, right? You see Ethereum skyrocket, you're seeing Solana skyrocket, you're seeing Avalanche skyrocket. What's the next craze? In my opinion, the next craze is going to be social and community tokens. It is already happening. We talked about this in one of our previous shows. AC Milan launches a community token. You're going to have content creators, YouTubers, artists, musicians. Anyone with any status or following is going to go and create a social or community token to take their community that they have online and monetize it. And the biggest platform and the most notable platform you can do it on is Rally.
You know who doesn't have any status or following? You. Okay? So,
oh my God. I can't. So, Rally is listed on Coinbase. It is the leader in social and community token platforms. It's super easy to use and get through. If you've never gone, go to rally.io. And Rally, people, if you're freaking listening, if you work for Rally, man, throw me some Rally coins, bro. I just pumped up your project here. But Jade, if you're watching, Rally coin would be my recommendation to you. But do your own research, not financial advice, but that would be my 2 cents. So.
All right. Well, I think that is it, right? Unless you got something
no,
else?
that's it, man. I'm tired of you.
All
I need a
right.
break from you.
Well,
So we're gonna head out.
Either way, guys, thanks for tuning in. We have been putting a set together, so we haven't had too big a dive in our content. We're going to do a little bit more skits in the future. So either way, we're going to have a lot more entertainment, a lot more cool things to talk about. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. David, you got anything else for me?
That's it, brother. Let's bounce.